If you're having a problem with your loaner laptop or any other piece of equipment, here is how to turn it in a service ticket to let the technology people know you have a problem. I like to go into Clever. You can get to it from the My MNPS app, but it looks different, so I'm just going to give you the Clever instructions. So go to Clever, and it looks like this: create a tech support ticket. If you go in through My MNPS, it's a little more complicated than this one is. So it looks like this. It's going to ask you, is it a student laptop, projector, whatever. So if it's a loaner, you'll just do student laptop. You can see if any of the problems are here. If not, if you don't see your problem, you will just create a tech ticket. You will put the IT asset tag that's on the back. You'll put your room number. Well, that already says John Overton, and then your room number. And then you will here give a detailed description of the problem that you're having. And then what I always do is it will generate a service ticket number. I always put a little sticky note with the number of the service ticket on there to make it easier for the tech department. Please let me know if you have any questions, if I can do anything to help you make that easier. Thanks.